In DomuS3D, it is possible to import a floor plan from an external DWG or DXF file. After it has been imported, DomuS3D lets you retrace the floor plan with the dedicated command Retrace Rooms. At this point, using a polyline, we can trace the outline of the walls that make up the floor plan, identifying each individual room. In this phase, we can also recreate any recessed areas present in the floor plan. Once the operation has been completed, select the End command and DomuS3D will generate the complete project in 2D and 3D.